Professor David Kariuki Muigwa is a renowned legal scholar, advocate, and arbitrator with a distinguished career spanning academia, practice, and legal reform leadership. He holds an LLB, LLM, and PhD in law from the University of Nairobi. He is a chartered arbitrator, reflecting his expertise on ADR. He is the founding partner of Kariuki and Muigwa and Company Advocates, and contributed immensely to the development of Kenya's law thought teaching, prolific legal writing, and practicing in landmark cases. He has served as several important leadership roles and membership in professional and regulatory bodies where he has influenced legal and ADR practice, education, scholarship, and standards.